I'm Jeremy Leipzig, Senior Product Manager at TileDB. Today I'll demonstrate how Carrara gives you complete flexibility in running your own bioinformatic workflows. If you're running bioinformatics pipelines, you know the struggle. You're locked into specific execution environments. Your team uses different tools and preferences. Sharing workflows means recreating complex configurations. And when jobs fail, you start from scratch, wasting precious compute resources. With TileDB Carrara, you choose how to work. Run workflows from the command line on your laptop, cloud instance, or TileDB notebook, or use the intuitive dashboard graphical user interface. Same powerful workflows, your preferred interface. The command line interface supports any Nextflow workflow. Treat TileDB as just another runner, no special modifications needed. Your existing pipelines work immediately. The dashboard supports NF Core compliant workflow templates. Pull directly from NF Core, GitHub, or upload from your computer. No more command line complexity for team members who prefer visual interfaces. Manifests can be saved and reused for new sample batches. Manifests are linked to runs, which are in turn linked to results for provenance and reproducibility. Here's where it gets powerful. Share workflows and manifests with colleagues across your team. Scientists can reuse the same validated settings with new samples. We've created TileDB modules for popular NF Core pipelines like Seric and scRNA-seq. Go directly from raw sequences to optimize queryable databases. TileDB VCF for genomic variants, and TileDB Soma for single-cell data. Never wonder about job status again. Monitor progress from the Nextflow logs or watch visual task graphs in the dashboard. Every step tracked, every resource monitored. From rigid pipelines to flexible workflows, from isolated execution to collaborative science. This is workflow management reimagined. Ready to run workflows your way? Learn more about TileDB Carrara's workflow capabilities today.